Pag-ibig member ka, baka hindi mo alam ang 9 na benefits na ito na para sa'yo. Diba? Ang dami pala. Tama ba yung narinig mo? Yes, 9 benefits of Pag-ibig member. At yan yung isi-share ko sa inyo ngayon. Pero if busy ka pa, save this video for later. Let's dive in. Number 1, Pag-ibig Regular Savings Program. Ito yung MP1 or Mandatory Monthly Savings for Employed Members. Also called MP1. Your contributions earn annual dividends. Baka hindi mo alam yan. Automatic na to nadadagdag doon sa iyong contribution. Can be claimed upon retirement, separation from work, or after 20 years. Number 2, Pag-ibig MP2 Savings Program. This is a voluntary savings program na mas mataas ang dividend rates than the regular savings program. And minimum nito is 500 pesos per month and may lock-in period na 5 years. Open ito sa active or former members. Tax-free earnings din. Number 3, Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus. Optional ID card that doubles as a reward card. Ang ganda nito kasi you will enjoy discounts sa 300 plus partner stores. Can also be used as a cash card for benefits and loan proceeds. Number 4, Pag-ibig Housing Loan. Ito, alam nyo na to for sure. Borrow up to 6 million to buy, build, or renovate your home. They offer low interest rates and long payment terms up to 30 years. Kaya naman, mas abot kaya. But take note, not all developers ay ina-accept ang Pag-ibig. Na-excite ka na ba kung nagagandahan ka dyan sa 4 na mga binanggit ko? Wait till you see until the number 9. Number 5, baka first time mo itong marinig, Pag-ibig Home Equity Appreciation Loan or what we call HEAL. Pwede kang mag-loan based on your home's net value. Pwede mo gamitin yung funds for education, for travel, business, or home upgrades. Available ito if you have Pag-ibig Housing Loan for at least 5 years. Number 6, Pag-ibig Calamity Loan. Naalala ko, nag-avail ako nito nung empleyado ako. Emergency loan ito para sa mga members na naka-experience ng disaster o yung mga nasalanta ng bagyo. You can borrow up to 90% of your savings. This is a quick relief during typhoons, floods, or fires. And number 7, Pag-ibig Multipurpose Loan or MPL. So ito alam ko, alam na alam nyo to, di ba? Ang pagkakaiba nito dun sa calamity loan is, yung calamity is, di ba, may nangyari, may disaster na nangyari na hindi inaasahan. While itong MPL is a cash loan for your urgent needs. Katulad ng tuition fee, bills, business capital, or medical expenses. And the same thing, you can borrow up to 90% of your savings. Fast approval din and flexible payment. Pwede kang mamili ng 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. And mababa lang yung interest nila. 5.95% interest per year. But take note, dapat at least meron kang 12 monthly membership savings under the Pag-ibig Regular Savings. And number 8, Pag-ibig Provident Benefits. This is a retirement benefit given as a lump sum savings. Lump sum, ibig sabihin, bultuhan. Ibibigay na sa'yo yung mga naihulog mo plus the dividend. This can be claimed at age 60, optional, or 65, mandatory na to. Or if gusto mo ng earlier, pwede mo itong makuha basta you've contributed for 20 years or 240 months. So may option ka na makuha yung lump sum savings mo. And last but not the least, number 9, meron din palang Pag-ibig Death Benefits. Ito ay ibibigay sa legal heirs, so legal na tagapagmana ng deceased member. This includes the member savings and earned dividends. So lahat yon ibibigay sa iyong legal heirs or mga tagapagmana. And syempre, makiklaim lang to kapag yung savings ay hindi na-withdraw ng member nung nabubuhay pa siya. O ano mga bestie, nagulat kayo no? Ang dami palang benefits ng Pag-ibig member. So kahit papano, di ka na siguro masasaktan na makita mo sa payslip mo na may 200 pesos na deduction. And that's all for this video. Please comment down below ano dyan yung mga nagamit mo na benefits at ano dyan yung na-amaze ka na meron pala. Aha moment, di ba? By the way, hello, my name is Peach Abashal, your Finance Globe bestie. If you like this kind of content, follow me and share this video. Bye!